If the new Instagram UI features are not showing on your account, this video will help you fix it step by step. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Tap the search bar and look for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the process to finish completely. Once the update is done, go back to your home screen. Tap and hold the Instagram app icon, then open App Info. From there, go into Storage. Tap Clear Data, then Clear Cache, and confirm when asked. After clearing the data, return to the home screen and open Instagram again. In many cases, the new UI features will now appear. If you still don't see the new UI, follow this next step. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon. Tap the three-line menu in the top corner, scroll down, and select Help. Now tap Report a Problem, then choose Report Problem again. Select Include and Continue. In the description box, clearly explain the issue. For example, write that your Instagram account is not showing the new UI features and that you would like them enabled. After typing your message, tap Send. Instagram usually reviews these reports, and many users get the new features shortly after. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more simple tech fixes.